Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today we will start chapter number 8, that is multiples and factors. Okay, today we'll start chapter number 8, multiples and factors. Our first topic is multiples. What are multiples? Look at the numbers we get by counting a number repeatedly. See, 3 counted 1 times. If we count 3 1 times, this is 3 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3. 3 counted 2 times. If we count 3 2 times, it will be 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. And 3 counted 3 times. This is 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. And 3 counted 4 times. If we count 3 4 times, it will be 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. So 3, 6, 9 and 12, these numbers 3, 6, 9 and 12, these are multiples of 3. Okay, 3, 6, 9 and 12 are multiples of 3. So what are multiples? So a multiple of a number is the number multiplied by a counting number. Here see, the multiples of 3 are 3 multiplied by a counting number 1. 3 multiplied by a counting number 2, 3 multiplied by a counting number 3. So the multiples are 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay. So how we find the multiple of a number? We multiply the number by a counting number. Suppose we have to write first 7 multiples of 2 and 5. Then how we'll write the multiples of 2 and 5? See, the multiples of 2, first 7 multiples of 2 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 and 2 7s are 14. Because we have to write first 7 multiples of 2. So we will write the multiplication table of 2 up to 7th place. Okay. And if we have to write the multiples of 5, first 7 multiples of 5, so 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30 and 5 7s are 35. Okay, so these are first 7 multiples of 5. So how we have written these multiples? We have written these multiples using multiplication table. Okay, we have written these multiples using multiplication table. So this way we write the multiples of given numbers. Next comes properties of multiples. See, first property is a number is a multiple of itself. I explain you with an example. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Means 4 is a multiple of 4. 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. That means 7 is a multiple of 7. 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. Means 9 is a multiple of 9. So every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, a number is a multiple of itself. This is first property. And second property is all numbers are multiples of 1. I explain you with an example. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. Means, see, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. Means 4 is a multiple of 1. 7 is a multiple of 1. 6 is a multiple of 1. And 8 is a multiple of 1. So all numbers are multiples of 1. So these are properties of multiples. Next is common multiples. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to find first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, we have to find first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3. So what we do, first of all, we will write the multiples of 2. Okay, we will write multiples of 2, and multiples of 2 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 tens are 20. These are first 10 multiples of 2. Now we will write multiples of 3. And multiples of 3 are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. Now our topic is common multiples, means we have to find the common multiples of 2 and 3, and common multiples means those multiples that are in 2 and 3 both. Okay, so the common multiples of 2 and 3 are, see, 2, first number 2. 2 is not in 3, that means 2 is not the common multiple of 2 and 3. 4 is also not in these numbers, that means 4 is also not the common multiple. Next comes 6. See, 6 is in both 2 and 3. 6 2 में भी है और 6 3 में भी है, that means 6 क्या है, common multiple है 2 और 3 का. Okay, इसके बाद हमारा कौन सा आता है common multiple? Let's check. 8. 8 is not in 3, that means 8 is not a common multiple of 2 and 3. Next 10. 10 is also not in 3. Next 12. 12 is in both 2 and 3. 12 2 में भी है और 12 3 में भी है, that means 12 क्या है, common multiple है. Okay, after that 18 is in both 2 and 3, that means 18 is common multiple of 2 and 3. So these are 6, 12 and 18. These are first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, 6, 12 and 18 are first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3. Let's take one more example. Question is, write first 2 common multiples of 2, 4 and 6. We have to write first 2 common multiples of 2, 4 and 6. So first of all we will write multiples of 2. Okay, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now we will write multiples of 4, and multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. And multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Now we have to write the common multiples. Common multiples, and we have to write only first two common multiples. See, the first 2 common multiples of 2, 4 and 6 are, first common multiple is 12, because 12 is in all 2, 4 and 6. Okay, 12 2, 4 और 6 तीनों में है, इसलिए 12 जो है हमारा फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल है 2, 4 और 6 का. अब नेक्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, सी 14 is not in 4, 16 is in 4 but 16 is not in 6, 18 is in 2 but not in 4, but 18 is in 6, so we will not consider. It should be in all the 3 numbers. Okay, next comes 20. 20 is in 2, in 4 but not in 6, so it will not be the common multiple. So what we will do, we will move to the next multiples of 2. Here it's 2 tens are 20, next will be 22 and then 24. Okay, now 24 is in 2, in 4 and in 6 also. Okay, 24 आपका 2 में भी है, 4 में भी है और 6 में भी है. So next common multiple आपका क्या होगा, 24. So these two are 12 and 24 are common multiples of 2, 4 and 6. Next topic is even numbers and odd numbers. First is even numbers. The numbers that are multiples of 2 are even numbers. Okay, the numbers that are multiples of 2 are even numbers, means the numbers that leave no remainder on being divided by 2. Okay, when we divide the number by 2, the remainder will be 0. That numbers are called even numbers. For example, 20, 32, 36, 50, 324, so on. All these are even numbers. Okay, all these are even numbers. If we divide these numbers by 2, okay, if we divide all these numbers by 2, 2 ones are 2, 0, bring the 0 down, 2 zeros are 0, the remainder is 0. 2 ones are 2, 1, bring this 2 down, 2 6 are 12, remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4, 1, bring this 0 down, 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. Okay, so these numbers when divided by 2, they the remainder was 0 in all these cases. Okay, so numbers that are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Next is odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers that are not multiples of 2. Okay, odd numbers are the numbers that are not multiples of 2, or you can say the numbers that are not even are called odd numbers. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. All these numbers are odd numbers. So what we have learned from these odd numbers and even numbers, that all numbers, all counting numbers are either even or odd. Okay, जो हमारे counting numbers हैं वो या तो even होंगे या क्या होंगे, odd होंगे. Okay.